Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on the Steam Guard on Steam, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on Steam Guard, first open up your Steam app and log into your account, as I've already logged into my Steam account. And on this interface guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see a username with your drop down arrow. Click on your username with the drop down arrow at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of menu will appear. Again, on the second option here, which is account details, click on account details, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see your Steam Guard or manage Steam Guard option available for us over here under the category of account security. Now in order to turn on the Steam Guard, click on manage Steam Guard, and this kind of interface will appear where you will be able to turn on your Steam Guard with the message on your phone as well as your email. You can see guys here it says get Steam Guard codes from Steam app on my phone or get Steam Guard codes by email, and it will also says will require you to log in on the email side. So guys, in order to proceed, now you can choose a method for turning on your Steam Guard. I will be going through the email guys, and the moment we did that guys, our Steam closed. Let's open it again, and we'll be required to re-log in as it said on the Steam app itself. And let's re-log into our Steam account on Steam app, and let's enter the password. And you can see guys, the Steam Guard has been enabled, and let's retrieve the code at our Gmail. So let's open it, and there's the code from our email guys. So let's copy it and let's paste it on Steam. And with that being done guys, we'll be relogged into our Steam app, and Steam Guard will be turned on. So let's wait for the login. And guys, again on this interface at the top right, let's click on this account details, and you can see guys here it says the account security and protected by Steam Guard email. Let's click on manage Steam Guard. You can see guys, the Steam Guard has been turned on. So if you want to go to getting the process of Steam Guard codes from the Steam app on your phone, click on this button. Either ways guys, it's the same thing, either on email or on the phone number. With that being done guys, this is how to turn on your Steam Guard on Steam. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.